Welcome to the webinar series from Blink Singapore. Today, I'm glad to present this demonstration of MVTec HALCON instant segmentation. HALCON deep learning is becoming increasingly powerful. The instant segmentation method have been released in the HALCON 21.11 progress version. This instant segmentation combines the power of HALCON's deep learning features, object detection, and semantic segmentation. This helps in accurate identification and measurement of naturally grown structures. It can be a helpful tool for pre-processing for bin picking applications. Other applications of instant segmentation can be in medical, robotics, agriculture, and many more. While object detection provides individual bounding boxes for each object, the objects are not segmented and the bounding boxes may not be especially tight-fitting. Semantic segmentation, on the other hand, provides pixel-precise location of the objects. But since each pixel is classified, close objects of the same class cannot be separated and merged into one object. When combining both methods, you get instant segmentation, where individual bounding boxes additionally contains the pixel-precise segmentation region. Thus, with instant segmentation, you are able to distinguish between objects of same class being close together and still have each object segmented. Here is the demo setup to detect and segment the screw samples. The Teledyne DALSA Genie Nano camera have been used. HALCON provides interfacing for different types of cameras, making the software independent of any hardware devices. Now, I would like to showcase the deep learning training and inference of the instant segmentation model. This is the MVTec's deep learning tool. Labeling for instant segmentation is very simple. The labels for instant segmentation consist of bounding box with a class label and a tuple of object regions for pixel-precise segmentation. First, we need to draw a bounding box around the object, and just by clicking the object regions, it will help in auto-segmentation of the regions. This auto-segmentation is a very powerful tool, making labeling no more a cumbersome process. The training of deep learning network uses HALCON's powerful pre-trained networks. For this demonstration, pre-trained classifier enhanced network has been used for training. You can visualize all parameters and measures associated with the training. Now, I would like to showcase the inferencing part to detect and segment the screws using our trained network. As you see, the screw regions are segmented and the bounding boxes shows the position of the screws. The bounding boxes returns the X and Y coordinates. Using the instant segmentation deep learning method, even overlapping instances can be detected as separate instances. In conclusion, the latest deep learning instance segmentation is a powerful tool combining the best of object detection and semantic segmentation methods. We have come to the end of the demonstration video. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more information, you can contact our sales team. Thank you for watching.